Yes?
Do you know how much time I'd have in my hands if I didn't have to do laundry?
Tell me, I got a feeling there's something here.
It took me 2 days. This is probably why my shoulder hurts. 2 days to catch up this weekend.
Oh, buddy, boy.
Laundry, load after load.
Well, what if I said that I found a way that you could get all of that wasted time back?
That's great.
You've heard of monthly subscription services for movies and for makeup. What about a monthly laundry service? It's launching today all over the cities. TCL reporter Emily Engberg explains.
St. Croix Cleaners is a well-oiled machine. When you're sleeping, they're working, starting at 3 a.m. to make sure dry cleaning gets done in a timely manner.
Oh my gosh, we're like in a sea of shirts.
About 4,000 pieces of clothing come through this Stillwater location daily.
We do, probably 30 comforters a day, sheets, pillowcases, pretty much any fabric thing you can think about cleaning. We handle it in a day, so it is quite the operation here.
That operation is getting even more interesting starting today. St. Croix Cleaners is launching what many will see as a laundry lifesaver.
And it's even good for people who, have big social events, just work a 50-hour week, then have to go out to dinner. Anyone from a single man to a family of 10 can enjoy this service.
St. Croix Cleaners will do your laundry for you thanks to its monthly subscription service.
We're seeing lots of other big cities like DC, Los Angeles, New York trying this service, and we just want to bring it to Minneapolis and the Twin Cities area and see if they like it.
They will even pick it up from your house if you'd like.
Depending on how many pounds you use in a month, we recommend a plan for you, and then you just get that charge and you can bring it in as many times as you want during that month, or it gets picked up once a week, every week for that whole month. We send you a bag, depending on the size you order.
That looks like a nice gym bag.
Yeah, no, they have zippers, and they actually have a coating on the inside that makes them odor-free. So we return your clothes in these bags as well. So that way we're staying eco-friendly and using less plastic, which
That's
is a big
convenient.
Yes. So yeah, it's a big process for us to make sure everything we have here is eco-friendly, from our solvent to our bags and now to this. So we're definitely using the eco-friendly thing. And then I have one of these bags and I've used it as a carry-on.
Yeah.
So I mean, you can bring your clothes in this and then take it right back to St. Croix Cleaners and get it all done. And then depending on the size, you even get bigger, better bags. So this is our smallest size. And then our largest size will be this gigantote.
And I assume this is going to be kind of one of those weird questions. I assume you do it all. Socks, undies, bras,
Absolutely.
all that stuff.
Anything that's textile that you want washed, we can do.
Can I just say, life is getting so much easier because of you. Thank you. This is great.
We're trying to be the Postmates of the dry cleaning world.
Kelly, on almost every segment that she watches, is like, I'm going to buy that. Or Kelly might be in. We've had a laundry discussion going on.
It's like having a cleaning lady come in. It's like you give yourself a little break.
Yeah, absolutely.
Every now and then.
A reset. The monthly subscription service for washed and folded laundry starts at $49.99 a month. You can use it 2 to 4 times a month, depending on how much is dropped off. And if you mention Twin Cities Live, you can get 10% off of your first month.
Like that. For all the service details, head to twincitieslive.com. And a big thanks to St. Croix Cleaners for sponsoring the show.